right, good morning, everybody. Oh, that's not the right salutation. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the channel for this week's Toolbox Safety Topic video. Before we get started, make sure that you give me that thumbs up down below to encourage me to make more videos this type. Also, subscribe to the channel where you will find additional videos and be notified with newly released videos. Let's go ahead and get into it. Now today, I want to talk about hand safety. And we hear it all the time. We're on the job sites. People are always wanting to talk about this or wanting to talk about that. And when, you see people rolling their eyes. But anyway, hand safety. We want to talk about hand safety. And we hear it all the time. Watch out for your hands. Be careful around power tools. But did you know that hand injuries are one of the most common accidents on construction sites? From crushed fingers to cuts and even amputations. These incidents can happen in the blink of an eye. And what's worse, many of them are preventable. Your hands are your livelihood. So why risk it? Now, what are pinch points? Pinch points are areas where two objects move together. Now, one can be moving and one can be stationary, but they're related to one another. So you have things like belts, belt sanders, grinders. They have things called nip points where the rotating part goes against another rotating part. Those are nips, and if you're not careful, you get your hand caught in them. Think about heavy machinery, doors, and even hand tools. These might seem harmless at first glance, but they can do serious damage if you're not paying attention. Now, how are some ways we can prevent hand injuries? Here are some quick tips to stay safe around pinch points. And wear the right gloves. Make sure you're using gloves designed for the job you're doing. Not all gloves offer the same level of protection. There's a website out there. What's the name of that? Superior Glove. They do a great job. They publish a bunch of videos. It talks about the types of gloves that they have and what application they have. So check out that Superior Glove. Next, number 2, stay alert. Always keep an eye on your surroundings, especially when you're working near moving parts or heavy equipment. Distractions can be costly. I've known guys to have their hands outside of a man basket on a lift, and they were looking at something else, and another person was driving, or they could be driving, and they moved the lift into position, and they misjudge and strike the building or the structure with the man basket with their hand in between. Okay, so be aware. Be aware of where your offhand is. Your offhand is the hand that you're using to support the work you're doing. If you're up above and you're drilling something or screwing something or removing something and you're gripping down below and it gives way, it could fall and crush or cut or amputate a finger or two or a hand. So be aware of that. And number 3, use proper tools. Don't use your hands where a tool would do a better job, such as a crowbar or a wedge to reposition or remove loose material. Don't use your fingers. Safety isn't just about knowing the risk. It's about practicing good habits every day. What are some of the ways you protect your hands on the job? Drop a comment below and let's share tips to keep everyone safe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give me that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. And remember, take care of yourself because you're number 1. Look out for your coworkers and help ensure their safety. And have a grateful day. And we'll see you in the next one. Safety is all on you. It's all on you, man.